Right, well, I am the only person fishing today. And I'm using a rod that I made, oh man, 2017 I think it is. It's an 8'6" 5-weight. And I'm going to do streamer fishing. See if we can't get some of the big boys to go after the streamer. And if we can't, we'll come back and get the nymphing rod. And yeah, there is absolutely no one fishing today, which I'm not complaining. It's only about 7 in the morning and it's supposed to be snow showers today, but it's actually the first day of youth fishing as well. Oh, I had a hit. Dang it. Had a hit. I'm just letting it get in that current and letting it drift down and get a little bit deeper and kind of die down there. I had a hit, I felt it. So I'm just letting it sink about 6 inches, 7 inches at a time, just stripping my line and then letting it sink. Alright, we switched to like a yellow zonker. So we'll mend out our line a little bit, see if we can't get that deeper. Yeah, it's not getting deep enough. I can see it. Alright, let's try the old tried and true woolly bugger. If this doesn't work, then we're going to go get the nymph rod. Alright, up to get the nymph rod. Got to be catching fish. And I just think at this time of the year, they're just not chasing too much. The water's really cold and they don't have any really reason to move. So we'll go get the nymph rod, see if we can't get something with that. Alright, so at this point, I mean, you can see it just snowing. It was after I got my nymph rod. Here I have a fish on, but after I went and got my nymph rod, I probably fished for another 40 minutes and it just started snowing. So what I did was I used a wireless microphone. So I unhooked the wireless microphone because I didn't want that to get wet. I didn't want snow to get all over it. So this portion of the video is basically, has no sound to it. But like I said, after about 40 minutes of fishing in the snow, the way it is, I finally landed on a nice trout as I'm reeling it in here. It was tough fishing that day for sure. I had a chartreuse egg pattern with a tungsten bead, and that's what this guy went after. But even when I caught this one, man, he barely hit it, and he just bumped it, and I just happened to set my hook, and sure enough, I got him out. But it was tough fishing that day. But I definitely, a good day of fishing is how do they say, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work. But this guy, the only fish for the day, and he was probably a good 18-inch rainbow. He was nice and fat, but tried to get a shot of him there. But yeah, it was the only fish for the day, and even though I only caught one, it was still a good day to be out. But check back. We hope to get more videos posted, especially with turkey season around the corner.